Hello students, good morning. Hope you all are learning and enjoying your studies at your homes. Today I am going to start a new topic, that is the tsunami. The tsunami, if you see the tsunami, the word start with a T. T-S-U-N-A-M-I, the tsunami. Here the word tsunami, you may be a bit confused to see that why this T is there and the sound is not coming. So this T is silent. This T basically is silent here. This T is silent and tsunami, but the spelling while writing we will write with this T, tsunami, but we speak it like tsunami. So we all might have heard about the name tsunami. It is the waves that come in the seashores. So this is one of the largest waves, about 10 to 20 meters of height. 10 meter, 1 meter, 2 meter and 3 meter. If 3 meters a room is there, then if 10 meters, then it means that it is of it is compared to 3 or 4 story building, and 20 meters it goes up to the height of a 10 story building. So this much of height of the sea waves when they come. So these are the tsunami, and you might have learnt about them, and let us find out what is there in this chapter. You may see this basically is a topic of geography. Geography. In geography we study all these kind of natural phenomena, and map reading is a part of geography. You are using atlas since beginning. So here you see here is a map, you can see, and this is a map in which this is a Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Andaman and Nicobar Islands, these are given here, and so this is a map, and it is said that you can read the sentences below and correct and rewrite the incorrect ones after correcting them. So this is the map. You need to see this carefully, and after that you read these these sentences, and if they are correct then leave it, if anyone is incorrect then correct it. So for example, Kachkal is an island. So Kachkal in Andaman and Nicobar, these are the group of islands, and Kachkar, can you find Kachkar anywhere? In Andaman there is no Kachkar, and in Nicobar here you can see Kachkal is here. Kachkal is here, you can see this is the Kachkal. So this is an island, and island is a part that is surrounded by water from all the sides. So here you can see this is an island. That's correct. So that's the correct one. And now the second thing is, it is a part of Andaman group of island. Is this in Andaman group of island? This is the Andaman group of island: North Andaman, Middle Andaman, Lower Andaman, Port Blair, Andaman Sea. And this is a Nicobar island, in which this this is a Nicobar island. This is a Nicobar group of islands where the Kachkal is there. So this is the wrong, then you need to correct it. It is a part of Nicobar group of islands. So you need to correct this second sentence. In this way you need to do this whole exercise, and whichever is incorrect you will correct it, and then you will post in the work group. I hope it is clear to you. You can do this. So you need to try for this. These kind of things we do in a map work in the atlas. So you need to find out that whatever is sentence there and whatever given in the map, that is matching or not. If not matching, then correct the sentence, as I have done in the second sentence, that it is said that Kachkal is an island, so that is the correct one. The second sentence, it is a part of Andaman and Andaman group of island, but in the seeing the map we see that the Kachkal falls in the Nicobar group of islands. So here you need to correct that it is a part of Nicobar group of islands. I hope it is clear to you, so you can do this. Now let's find out. A tsunami is a very large and powerful wave caused by earthquake under the sea. So this is said that what is the cause of the tsunami waves? Tsunami, you know pretty well, they are very big waves, you can see, and they are caused by earthquakes under the sea. Earthquakes, they come, you know, but when the earth, you know, there is a surface of earth under the sea also. If there is a earthquake under the sea, then a wave forms in the water and it becomes very large water wave and it turns into a tsunami. On 26th of December 2004, a tsunami hit Thailand and the parts of India such as Andaman and Nicobar Islands and the Tamil Nadu coast. Here are some stories of courage and survival. Did the animals sense that a tsunami was coming? Some stories suggest that they did. Some, so here in this chapter we are going to read about some courageous stories that are belonging to the time when on 26th of December 2004 a tsunami came in the India and the near and Thailand and you know, basically in India, Andaman and Nicobar Islands and the coast of Tamil Nadu. It hit. In coast of Tamil Nadu, it hit, this tsunami hit, and how the people survived there, their stories of courage and survival we are going to read in this chapter. And also one more thing that is there, that it is said that some animals they can sense. Animals, they can sense that tsunami is about to come. So whether this is correct or incorrect, that we will also find out on the basis of the facts given in this chapter. So let's start. These stories are all from the Andaman and Nicobar archipelago. Archipelago is what? A group of many islands that is called archipelago. Archi means many and pelago means islands. So this is a group of islands that is called Andaman and Nicobar. Andaman and Nicobar archipelago. Archipelago means group of many islands. So in Ignatius was the manager of cooperative society in Kachkal. Ignatius जो था वो एक मैनेजर था cooperative society in Kachkal. His wife woke him up at 6 a.m. 6 a.m. His wife woke him up because she felt an earthquake. She felt an earthquake. Who felt? Her wife. Whose wife? Ignatius' wife. Ignatius carefully took his television set off its table and put it down on the ground. Ignatius took the television and put it down so as to make it safe on the ground so that it would not fall and break. He put the television down because it was on table and a table will tremble in the earthquake, pretty well, and the television may fall down and it will break. So he put it on the ground. Then the family rushed out of the house, and pretty well it is a better idea to move out of the house during the earthquake because the walls of the house they may fell and the ceiling may come down and you may get hurt. So it is a better idea to move out of the house. When the tremor stopped, tremor means this all happening, this shaking of the earthquake. When it stopped, they saw the sea rising. So what they noticed, that the sea was rising. And the sea has got a leveling shape, but they what that it was rising, it was moving up. In the chaos and confusion, chaos means that is very confusion and noise and panic condition, that is called chaos. In the chaos and confusion, two of his children caught hold of the hands of their mother's father and mother's brother and rushed in the opposite direction. So in confusion, two of his children caught hold of the hands of their mother's father and the mother's brother. Mother's father and mother's brother. There would be mother's father and mother's brother. There would be the children caught the hands of those and rushed in the opposite direction. Because the sea was rising, they started rushing towards the opposite direction. He never saw them again. His wife was also swept away. Only the three other children who came with him were saved. So two of the children caught hold of hands of their mother's father and mother's brother. They would be there with them. So he said that he never saw them again, and his wife also swept away. The water took it away. The only three other children who came with him were saved. Those other three children who were with him, only they were saved. So this was what the story belonging to Ignatius. His wife was swept away. Two children with the father's mother and father's and mother's brother. And so they swept away in the water. Wife also swept away. Only three children were saved who were with him. Sanjeev was a policeman. Sanjeev was a policeman serving in Kachkal Island of the Nicobar group of islands. He somehow managed to save himself. Sanjeev was a policeman and he was serving in the Kachkal Island of Nicobar group, and he somehow managed to save himself. He managed to save himself. तो उसने अपने आप को जैसे तैसे करके अपने आप को बचाया. His wife and his baby daughter, उसकी जो वाइफ थी, जो ये संजीव पुलिसमैन था, उसकी वाइफ एंड हिज बेबी डॉटर, और उसकी छोटी सी बच्ची, फ्रॉम द वेव्स. तो उसने अपने आप को भी बचाया. नॉट ओनली हिज, कॉमा लगा हुआ, यू कैन सी, सेव हिमसेल्फ, हिज वाइफ, अपनी वाइफ को भी बचाया, एंड हिज बेबी डॉटर, और अपनी छोटी सी बच्ची को भी बचाया, फ्रॉम द वेव्स. ये जो वेव्स थी, ये जो सुनामी वेव्स थी, इनसे उसने बचाया. बट देन ही हर्ड क्राइज ऑफ द हेल्प. लेकिन फिर उसने जो है हेल्प के लिए लोगों की जो क्राइज थी, जो आवाज़ें थी, उनको सुना. फ्रॉम द वाइफ ऑफ जॉन द गेस्ट हाउस कुक. तो उसने फिर जो एक गेस्ट हाउस में कुक था जॉन, उसकी वाइफ की आवाज़ सुनी जो हेल्प के लिए बुला रही थी. संजीव जम्प्ड इनटू द वाटर. तो संजीव जो था वो वाटर में, जो सुनामी का जो वाटर आया था उसमें वो जंप कर जाता है उसको बचाने. टू रेस्क्यू हर. रेस्क्यू का मतलब होता है टू सेव. उसको बचाने के लिए, टू रेस्क्यू हर, उसको बचाने के लिए वो कूद जाता है. बट दे वर बोथ स्वेप्ट अवे. लेकिन वो दोनों जो है वो बह के चले जाते हैं, स्वेप्ट हो जाते हैं, है ना, उनको वो लहरें बहा ले जाती हैं. 13-year-old मेघना, 13 साल की 13-year-old मेघना was swept away along with her parents and 77 other people. तो 13 ईयर की जो मेघना थी वो अपने पेरेंट्स और 77 अदर लोगों के साथ वो भी जो है वो क्या हो गई, वो बह के चली गई. सी स्पेंट 2 days फ्लोटिंग इन वाटर इन द सी. और 2 days तक वो सी वाटर में वो फ्लोट करती रही, वो ऐसे तैरती रही। होल्डिंग ऑन अ वुडन डोर, कोई उसको वुडन डोर मिल गया था, तो वुड का डोर था, उसको होल्ड किए थी, तो वो 2 डेज तक वो उसी सी वाटर में बनी रही। 11 टाइम्स सी सॉ रिलीफ हेलीकॉप्टर्स ओवरहेड। लगभग 11 बार उसने सी के जो रिलीफ हेलीकॉप्टर्स आते हैं, जो देखने के लिए आते हैं कि कहीं कोई ऐसा हो जो जिंदा हो, तो उसने उसको करीब 11 टाइम्स अपने सर के ऊपर उसने हेलीकॉप्टर्स को देखा, बट दे डिड नॉट सी हर, लेकिन वो हेलीकॉप्टर वालों ने उसको वहाँ से नहीं देख पाया। सी वॉज ब्रॉट टू द शोर बाई ए वेव, और उसको जो है एक लहर ही जो है उसने उसको किनारे लगाया आके। एक सी में जो वेव आती है तो पता है वो अंदर बाहर वेव्स आती रहती हैं, तो एक सी वेव से वो किनारे की तरफ आ गई बाद में। एंड वॉज फाउंड वॉकिंग ऑन द सी शोर इन अ डेज, और और किसी दिन जो है वो सी के किनारे के ऊपर वो चलती हुई वो पाई गई। सो अप टू हियर वी कंप्लीट, we will do the remaining part in the next video. Thank you.